Hi, this is Joe N2QOJ. I just finished touching up the ends of the antenna on the egg type of insulators, and you see here I soldered after I twisted the active copper wire ends. I soldered it, but what's interesting is that here's what I used. This is a great field soldering instrument. It's gas operated. Takes these replaceable modules or replaceable cartridges. This one's made by Black & Decker. I don't know if it's made anymore. It's got a turn the gas on and off, and then it's got a piezoelectric starter. And you can see inside there if I turn it on. And it's on. This is ready to use in about 15-20 seconds. Great in the field. Obviously you're not tethered to electricity, and it works great. And so what we used was a little bit of solder flux and then of course some solder here, and away you go. And that's how I did all of these, actually, all these connections. And it works extremely well. Here's the interesting thing. This is what a typical cartridge looks like, which you can't get these anymore from Black & Decker. But, so this sat unused. I had no replacement cartridges for years. Until I read an article, I came across something. It looks like Conair makes a hair curling system that's also uses the same type of gas cartridge systems. Walmart sells these two for $6, two cartridges for $6. So I bought a bunch, and I'm stocked up for years, hopefully. So that was a really serendipitous occasion to have come run across that. Anyway, that's it for now. Take care.